Understanding gasket maintenance, a key to longevity in machinery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone involved in engineering, mechanics, or simply curious about how machines work: gasket maintenance. Gaskets play a critical role in the performance and longevity of machinery, and understanding how to maintain them can save time, money, and prevent mechanical failures. So, let's get started on our journey to demystify gasket maintenance and why it's so important. A gasket is a mechanical seal that fills the space between two or more mating surfaces, generally to prevent leakage from or into the joined objects while under compression. Gaskets can be made from a variety of materials, including rubber, metal, or silicone, depending on the application and the types of fluids or gases they need to contain. They are crucial components in a wide range of machinery, from car engines to industrial piping systems. Gasket maintenance is vital for several reasons. First, it ensures the integrity of the seal between components, preventing leaks that could lead to operational failures, environmental hazards, or safety issues. Regular maintenance also extends the lifespan of both the gaskets and the machinery they're a part of, reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Additionally, keeping gaskets in good condition helps maintain the efficiency of machinery, ensuring optimal performance and energy use. Identifying the signs of gasket failure is key to timely maintenance. Some common indicators include visible leaks or drips of fluid around the gasket area, overheating of machinery, which can be a sign that a gasket is no longer providing an effective seal, decreased performance or efficiency in machinery, indicating that air, fluid, or gas is escaping from where it's supposed to be contained. Unusual noises like hissing or popping, which can signal that a seal is compromised. Maintaining your gaskets properly involves several steps. 1. Regular inspection. Check gaskets regularly for signs of wear, damage, or leakage. 2. Proper installation. Ensure gaskets are installed correctly, without over-tightening, which can cause them to crush or tear. 3. Use the right material. Always replace gaskets with the correct material for your specific application. 4. Clean surfaces. Before installing a new gasket, clean the mating surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good seal. 5. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Adhere to the maintenance and replacement schedules recommended by the manufacturer. We hope this video has illuminated the vital role that gasket maintenance plays in the health and efficiency of machinery. Remember, taking care of your gaskets not only prevents costly downtime but also ensures the safety and longevity of your equipment. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.